Hey, what is up, YouTube? Are you ready for the craziest offer I have ever seen? No, really, this one is just off the hook nuts. You got to see what I got to tell you about in my review of Jaguar Jackpots. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. Now, why on earth would I be known as the man with a hat? Well, that's very simple, actually. It's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. And I am one of the few people who can pull it successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And by the way, if you aren't new here, feel free to go ahead and skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as that loaf of bread that you just found sitting around in the coffee room at your office when you finally got back to work after 3 months away because of the coronavirus. No, it's okay. Throw it in the garbage, buy fresh bread. Seriously. But anyway, as I said, I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing? Well, that's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, seriously? Twice in one day? Really? It's enough. It's annoying. Get a life. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of fear, self-empowering mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you very much, Liz. See, Liz, she's a sweetheart. She says the same thing all the time, also. I can't get mad at Liz. She's a sweetheart. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Why would that be? Well, because subscribe doesn't mean anything on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. We are on the sales page for Jaguar Jackpots. Now, I got to tell you something. When I saw this, I was like, dude, you're insane. Okay, seriously. I couldn't believe that he was willing to give so much away for $15. Okay, I mean, literally, it's the price of a pie of pizza. All right, at Domino's. Yeah, fast and free. Or fast or free, right? Something like that. Anyway, but seriously, check this out. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different products. These are actual products that I have personally promoted for him and people have bought from me. You're getting all these things 100% for free. Okay, you pay nothing for them except for the $15 you pay in order to buy Jaguar Jackpots. And then he's doing something completely bonkers. Okay, I personally charge for resale rights, which basically means that you get the right to sell it as your own and keep 100% commissions. I personally charge between $67 to $97 for each product that I do that for. He's giving it to you for $15 for 12 of them. And this is the craziest thing ever. And this is basically giving you a ready-made business. Okay, about the only thing you're going to need is to drive traffic, which I know everybody says, oh my God, traffic, Eric, I don't know what I'm doing. How can I drive traffic? So first of all, I'm going to give you 5 of my best courses on traffic, but I'm going to give you something really special also. So I'm going to also give you an SEO campaign for free. I usually charge $25 for this. And the way I like to explain this is like this. Imagine that you are back in high school.
And like that, I was back in high school.
Yeah, kind of like that. Back in high school. Anyway, but seriously, imagine you were back in high school and you wanted to be a popular kid. You want to be a cool kid. After all, who doesn't want to be one of the cool kids? Okay, anyway, seriously. So what would you do? Well, one of the ways that you could become one of the cool kids would be to become friendly with a lot of different people. Okay, people get to know you. Everybody likes you. You're, the person is always around and helpful, and everybody knows him. Oh yeah, sure, that's the cool guy. Yeah. Okay, so Google's kind of like that. When Google sees that you have a lot of links from other good quality websites out there pointing at your website. They're saying, oh, this guy is a cool kid. Okay, we want to promote him. We want to be part of the cool crowd too, right? And so basically, that is exactly what you're going to get when you get my SEO campaign. So it's a $25 value that I charge $25. You're going to get it for the $15 that you pay for Dawood's product. Plus, if you pick up any upgrade at all, I'm going to give you an extra month of direct access to my cell phone. Okay, this is something you charge $97 a month for. You're going to get a month of it for free. Pick up 2 months, you get 2 months. Pick up 3 months, you get 3 months. You get the idea. Okay, so really, really cool stuff. Let me show you quickly the members area over here. So this is the members area for Jaguar Jackpots. Basic members area. Going to show you how to do everything and basically just get you into all the different 12 products. Okay, there's not a whole lot to know here because it's basically 12 different products. And there's, by the way, some courses here on traffic, by the way. And you get access to all of them. You're also going to be able to sell each of these as if they were your own. Okay, Tiger's Traffic is a really good traffic course. All right, so you're going to get access to all these things. Let's see if I'm going to give a tip my hat to the product creator or not.
The giant hat, sir.
Yes, indeed. Wow, massive, massive tip my hat to Dawood. This is ridiculous. I cannot believe you're giving this thing away. Seriously, huge, huge value here. Grab this now before he comes to his senses. Seriously, go ahead and get it. There is no better offer I've ever seen.